Hey YouTube, welcome back to Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. Today's video is going to be on these super fire garlic cauliflower wings. I did go ahead and fry these up and then coat them in this delicious garlic parm sauce. So let's go ahead and get into this. So we're going to go ahead and get started by prepping our cheese. I am using this BioLife Parmesan cheese wedge, and I'm going to go ahead and grate that up.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I miss, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
And once you go ahead and get that cheese grated, we're going to go ahead and prepare our vegan egg substitute. I'm using this Bob's Red Mill powdered egg, and I'm just going to go ahead and prepare about 2 to 3 servings according to the package instructions. And I actually end up adding a little bit more water than what is recommended by the package, just because for me to be able to dip the cauliflower boneless wings, quote unquote, into the mixture, I just need it to be a little bit thinner. And we are going to go ahead and season the egg wash with the seasonings that I show here. And then once that egg mixture reaches the consistency that we're looking for, we're going to go ahead and prepare our dry ingredients, which is just a combination of flour and cornstarch, as well as some seasonings. You're going to use the same seasonings that you use to prepare the egg wash, and I also add in a bit of chili powder as well. Once you get your flour mixture together, we're going to go ahead and prepare the head of cauliflower. We're going to go ahead and trim that bottom piece off and go ahead and make sure it's well washed as well. And I pre-wash it, then I trim the bottom off, and I break it up into little pieces. And then you'll see I'll go ahead and come in with the strainer, and I'll put the individual pieces into the strainer and also give it another wash now that it's separated.
The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be. When you're close to me.
And then once you get the cauliflower prepared, then we're just going to go ahead and dip first into the egg wash mixture and then into the flour mixture. And we're just going to go ahead and repeat that on all of the pieces of cauliflower.
Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for a menage a trois, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't pop. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
And once everything's well coated, it should look something similar to this. You can see the little pieces of flour egg mixture that's kind of hanging off the sides there. That's really what you're looking for so that you can get that nice crisp edge. And then we're going to go ahead and heat up a skillet with some oil in it and go ahead and get these fried.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. close to me. You love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
While the cauliflower is frying, I do go ahead and prepare the sauce on a separate eye at the same time so that the cauliflower and the sauce is hot, the same level of temperature once I'm combining it together. To prepare the sauce, we just need a base of some vegan butter. We're gonna go ahead and get that tossed up and melt it down. Then we're gonna go ahead and add in our garlic, some freshly chopped parsley, as well as that Parmesan cheese that we grated. We are gonna save a little bit of that Parmesan cheese for topping to go on later, but we're just gonna go ahead and saute all of that up until it's well combined. And I also season the sauce as well with some salt and some pepper and some other seasonings that I put down below. And we're just gonna go ahead and toss that until the cheese is mostly melted. It doesn't have to completely dissipate. I wanna see a little bit of that cheese still in there, but we're just gonna go ahead and toss it together until the cheese is mostly dissipated. And then we're gonna go ahead and combine everything together, top with some extra parsley, some extra cheese as well, and we're gonna go ahead and serve. And this is banging. Like these were so bomb, like I'm not even gonna flex, they were fire. So let me know if you guys are interested in trying these. If you're gonna give it a try, comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.